Welcome back to College with Karsten. Today we are covering how I use Notion to manage and organize my commitments. Now, if you haven't met Notion before, probably not the video for you, because this one is going to skip right past all the basics. Stay tuned and subscribe for a future video, which is going to be a tutorial into Notion. On my main page for academics, I have a sidebar on the left covering all my classes. These are all pages, so you can click on them. I have a school database for all my to-dos. So if I went in here and I changed the filter, it would show you all the to-dos I had all through last year. You don't need to record every single to-do through your entire school year. This is maybe 10 at max percent of everything I did that year, but it's just something that you can put into your database if you remember. On the right side, I have just some links and some tips for IB Math, which is the class I'm taking next year for mathematics. So, the big kahuna here is undergrad admissions. This is my main project at the moment. I have a couple notes on the right side over here, a couple notes here, and on the top I have, most important is college essays. So here's where Notion really kicks in. I have a database, and you could use Excel for this if you wanted to, where you just put all your problems here, or with the Notion, where you can switch from a standard table database to board, move them between sections. Whoa, cool, right? This one notes the status of the essay, whether it's finished or still working on it or what's to do. You can organize it by word count. Bam, 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 bam. So lower word count here, higher word count on the other side. And this is a really good one. You organize it by school. So I can take all the essays from a school and look at them from a bird's eye view, so I can make sure that each school is not getting any repeated topics and they're not missing out on anything. So if I have a topic, why us, for example, and CMU is getting one essay about it, I wouldn't want to make another essay that covers the same sort of topics, right? So I can see which topics are mentioned or are the focus of each essay, and then make sure each college gets, a fair spread of all the topics. And I can also sort them by topic, which is really good when you're writing, so that, say I finish a community contribution essay, or even better, a why major essay, talking about why I love computer science. I take that essay, right, and I combine them over the course of these 4 different essays, right, which saves me like 20 hours over the whole writing process, because I'm just reusing over the same topic. Colleges will ask you to write up the same sort of things. This is a really good way to sort your essays. And I'll show you how to do this in my Notion. This one's sort of organized with text columns, 2 rows of 4 text columns, and a little side note here, which each document all my activities. So before I put them into the Common App, which if you use is kind of claustrophobic when you're using the activities, I can look at them from a bird's eye view using this method. And now I can see sort of, okay, this one covers this sort of area of my life, and I need to add another one to bolster that or support it. On the top here, I have some full activity descriptions, which just cover all the things I've done in long form, so I can write them in essays, or I can add them to an application for a different program, and a link to it. These are just some of the ways I use Notion. I use it for the rest of my life as well, and I really enjoy it. If you'd like to see a tutorial on how you can build your own Notion pages and using widgets and icons and jazz them up and make it look all pretty and stuff, let me know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe, because I'll be getting that to you real soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's been College with Karsten, and I'm out.